Hi guys, welcome back. Now we are going to see 13th question of exercise 5.3. Find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. So just first write what are the values, that is 8, the sequence is 8, 16, 24, 32, and it goes on, right? The value of a over here is 8. The common difference is also 8 because it is multiples of 8, so common difference is 8. They are asking yes 15, right? The value of n is 15. Applying in the formula, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1, that is 14, into d. So that is equal to 15 by 2 into 16 plus 112 is 14 into 8 is 112. 15 by 2 into, you get it as 128. 15 into 64, that is equal to 960. So the sum of first 15 multiples of 8 is 960 is your last conclusion part. So this is your 13th question, exercise 5.3, that is asked in your textbook, right? So in the next video we'll see the 14th question. Thank you.